day.
Okay.
King Civic sound, we gonna kill, jump and sound now. Sound contest and get through down by the number one sound. King Civic sound gonna kill all jump and sound. No, hey, some sound contest and get through down by King Civic sound. Tropical of the island breeze.
Think about woman in the backyard too, you know.
Sound full.
Can't left no inch.
And this is where I long to be. King Civic sound keep playing.
Alright. Do remember what the date, Viper? August 7th. Do remember says all about the Black Magic versus Culture Blend. Live on the Team Torment. You know what I mean? Big things for the year. Alright. We'll check it out now.
Now greetings to the world voice of the one called Big Gangzilla. Alongside Stephen the Ragamuffin Marley. King Civic sound, you know? Yeah, long live the king, you know?
Nah, like, look at what Guinness there.
Muffin Marley say King Civic sound.
Always.
Lion sound, sing. Brooklyn, 40s and 30s. Now our Flatbush crew stays at Dr. V, Ital P, Lex, Azzy Blacks. Big up, you know, big up, yeah, yeah. Yes, Lion News, yeah. King Civic sound. Top of sound, see?
Right about now, Mr. Look up and jump on the machine on the backyard now.
Yeah.
Yo!
Some boy want persecute I, but them not die. King Civic sounds anointed with the power of love. Yeah. Some boy try persecute I.
What time that?
Envy and grudge.
Okay.
King Civic sounds anointed.
No one your name. There is
Civic
no.
sounds don't make mistakes. We're killing your son for sure. In the room, sweep the place. We clear our space. King Civic sounds don't make mistakes. Like I said, killing your son for sure. Get the room, sweep the place. Hey, clear our space. Some King Civic, them a little boy, them killing some boy feed them all. Some of them a whole lot try them full of beer and beer.
Alright, gang, hold it down now.
Yeah. Nah.
Take all the calm before the storm.
When the way on the sound clash is getting tight. Every song boy get desperate and they want to fight.
Yeah, you know.
Put with King Civic boosting and the dance at night. I hear some don't play echo and some boy losing life. Yeah, that's why I say play another double run a song out of town.
I'm gonna say pick up all sound, man, all sound from the right back. Yeah, we come for all our one try, you know what I mean? We're not there on the lane bars tonight.
King Civic sound and you.
Yeah, hear me?
The unbelievable wise. Speak up the truth and not the lies. Hey, just be strong as the eye. Even I will let the eye. King Civic sound and champion. The people them to feel the vibes and rise them business. The fire seeds and scripts. When we think the village is the one to live at the wild lifestyle. And that no big. We know the jump and now put them ready in Africa.
Okay.
Fittest the champions.
People, Mr. That song, we just love roll song, you know. We just roll song and way. I want you to listen cleanly. This thing called the calm before the storm. Calm before the storm.
King Civic boom sound, kill them as them come. Boy, now say, made it try but could not test. King Civic sound, no. Made it try, King Civic just chop them down. One by one, some pull went to the bank, withdraw all his money.
Yeah, you know.
Thinking that's what it takes to take.
Right now, we just bounce for 1 on 3s now. Bounce for 1 on 3. Go.
You play that if you get soul
Grateful. Me and Roman say we come from Bed-Stuy. We come from a place called 40s, Brooklyn. East Flatbush.
King Civic lose for y'all. King Civic around in a Brooklyn on East 45th. Ready for me. Big up a song called King Civic Sound.
Well, that's all that guys, man. Big up every sound, man.
Tune up, punch like Azzy Blacks, respect big man. Lex, you don't know. Flatbush turns and fast, you don't
yeah,
know. I'm here from Beyonce, and I don't want to play sing, but Lord of mercy.
King Civic, big boy, yeah. Hey. King Civic, look.
Roll again.
King Civic around in a Brooklyn on East 45th. Ready for make a clap out of the under Civic. Asperger pump shot the pistol grip. Like Charlie's Italy, Italy. Pulling on your station with the top bag with a door. Full of some petrol then roll out quick sound. Boy violate the sound. When him King Civic, I'm going like say them will run the district. Why to let the world roll them complete?
You know what I say now? Pick up the sound man them, come and see when we're walking, you know what I mean? Sound man have a style, when them love try, size up on them thing there. Man tell you say, nobody try it. You hear look a while like a police forward outside, you think because of music?
Come out of the way. Down motion.
You think because of music?
Down passing up here. No time.
Listen.
Good boy, who are you? I'm here on the first. Get him a look for Civic and down with Bambi Rush. 3 handgun, 2 rifle, and a bucket full of load. Civic to make the worst. Most wanted down. Good boy, Civic, love sound and dead. Civic, I go make the Bushmaster run red. 15 and a bucket, this a bucket full of lead.
Who knows?
New York most wanted. If them knock me in tomorrow, we run over the bridge. With a big mouth, some buffet and safe passage. Jackson, my friends, going all over the valley. Jackson, no corner, a joke business. Some of them said that my son, make them know say we are sick. And a boy can't test, we don't care about them wicked. Make them know say we sound is better than me.
Hey! Dynamite. Line up your sound them, because we know I hear things there, you know. We know. At the St. Mary's song. How to you? Here we go on.
Bless up massive American heritage alongside King Civic sound. See? Flatbush 30s, 40s, big up on yourself. Select Dr. V, Ital P, Lex, As a Blacks. When you don't know what reggae music you say, I want to blaze up and make jump and sound, no say what. A King Civic sound around the place. Slap the bless.
We just go to play some song in our backyard, man. How are you saying?
King Civic.
Alright, Grams, we don't make you forward, but you take too long.
Yeah.
We get to some song I last half now.
Yeah. Show us the way, let us be sanctified. Fire blaze, I know, cool, not the no way. Teach us to praise of those who doomed to die. The need is on not already forgotten, no way. I will be elegant. Celestia high slow.
Check out the people that know saying a bad man, your heart clean for the year, yeah.
Perseverance.
Your heart clean.
Oh, yes.
You what?
Them too persistent, so them die. There is the reason why. Now give up the fight. We kill a jump and kill life. See them now, them down and in distress. Them should make it King Civic, know them weakness. See them now, them bird become the ADF. Should make we know. Hey, them too persistent, so them die. There is the reason why. Now give up the fight. We kill a jump and kill life. See them now, them down and in distress. Should make it King Civic, know them weakness. See them now, them bird become the ADF. Should make we know.
Alright, now wait till the 5-minute mark and start. At the 5-minute range, we start cap some songs.
Lace fine sunshine most of the time. The sound is laid back. The palm tree growing went so low, but don't you know? King Civic sound is making their way back.
5 minutes to read.
That's the big bad sound born and raised. Nowadays, we love killing sound. LA's time to return home.
Alright, 5 minutes read. Let me start cut some stuff now.
Hey, soul boy over there, so King Civic sound, round about the label. So if they don't know that, my friend, well then number will see product of visual chop like the soda sorrow.
Brooklyn we come from, we love it, bus gun, but this is where we know. And Brooklyn we grow, no joke, and look easy and simple, so you know, say, no fear, no boy. We not air, no boy. Tell us so we bad and done them. Watch out. Your life done from your this King Civic. And your this King Civic, you shall surely lose.
Why?
Let me clap some sound.
Watch this. Hey, Mr. Undertaker, Bill and Aka. What you want to get? King Civic, hey, somebody must be crazy.
Wrong rapture beat. Yo.
I just gotta say, it's a big bad mind for King Civic.
How do you feel like? If a war run, I want make it start. Somebody not dead, fi me gonna pop off.
A big bad man, no take no form of talk. And if them this King Civic, and them life them lost.
Dr. D say if a war run, I want make it start. Pussy not dead, fi we gonna pop off.
Man a big bad man, no take no form of talk. And if them this Dr. V, and them life them lost.
Well, boy, no say nothing. One more word and your show get forgotten. Then this King Civic come and go report them mess up. 6 on the Glock, I put them straight in a coffin. Class one top line, which one Johnson?
3 minutes to go.
King Civic sound, champion sound. I mean I say, Ozzy,
That's the way we roll now.
Ital P, Dr. V. I get Brad Sabel for the world, batting in a man.
People on the last lap now. On the box now. On the air one ball.
King Civic, all know the pussy them no here, but we still a beat them from far and near. Ooh, that them a try compare, back up and leave. King Civic did I tell her no? Yeah, me tell her no, with a P. I get Brad Sabel for the world,
People are listening keenly. On the last lap, we'll clock some song.
We are New York General, kick us on with the clocks. Big gold chain and the wrist of the charts. Nobody stand still when
Me a say King Civic sound, me a say Dr. V, me a say Ital P, I hear me Lex, me a say Azzy Blacks. Everywhere we go we carry strap. Yeah, hear me? Yeah. King Civic, steady with him a tick. Anywhere we see the enemy we clap it, oh God. Steady up. Yeah, we bring it anyway. King Civic sound gun no stick. We both up boy.
Well, listen me good now. I want to say pick up all the man inside the place. Me pick up all black man inside the backyard now.
Yeah, hear me?
All black man.
Ozzy Blacks, go tell them. Man a king in a earth. Just remember when them great them try to fling in a dirt. But leave my pain in a me heart, sweating on my shirt. Long before me top the chart and the thing didn't work. King Civic sound. We are king in a earth. Long before we stop the millions, can't pity a flirt. Get to you go for your crown. We are king from a birth. Hey Lex, hey Ozzy Blacks.
Oh, listen me man. T down there on the flyer, no? What T down there? Him live? Him know why.
King Civic, I heard a sound right. Bible sound, King Civic, man. Let me see. Yeah, bam, no try answer, this are the great. A million sound, man. A million sound when you chew down. One King Civic sound, man, where we know. King Civic around the marathon, them gonna run it. After we surround down the place, them gonna run it. All them feel a competition when them no send them no faith. Assignment them get
cruise to them cruise. Yeah.
After we surround the marathon, them gonna run it. King Civic skill jump on night and day.
Who does a cruise, people? Don't worry yourself, man. Dynamite next. Say the Maris sound. Come.
King Civic sound they are talking about them.
Well, big on the people in my backyard. By the time I run, we can play one more song. One more. We'll see what I go on now.
I say you win already.
We'll see what I go on now.
Now greetings to the world, vice to the one called Big Guy.
Grand finale.
Civic sound system I play, Lex pick up myself, yeah you know. As this, sir, Dr. V, Ital P. Now Junior Blood stays King Civic Master.
When is someone them to know? Brooklyn.
Well, I win them King Civic, me say, look how we gun them tall. Who don't know where from them see where we are living top on her. Cocky boot and cocky suit, you think we go a calabar. Well, I pity them and no King Civic a superstar. Never quit for kill a song, we never quit when we attack for kill a song. You have to fit the grip, to split the fireball. Till they fit in now we grip, we a squeeze it till it's small. Every itty little bitty drip, then none of left at all. Go then flip it till it lift it mine and we matter. Don't pity like Yosemite, someone King Civic a war. And them better know the vehicle and them better mark the car. Keep a distance past the worker man, we full your face a scar. They run for the uptown and them butter, we and them apart. They run for the downtown and them butter, we and them apart. They run for the country and them butter, we and them apart. We have on some ganja split, we build up bigger than
Cigar. Alright. We do more time. I have a next 12 event for forward go. We don't know that weekend you're busy. Trust me. Cool it, chat, pick up yourself, you know what I mean? It's always a good thing what you do today. I'm kind of under the Guinness right now. So, don't watch it. Say it, pick up. What the song? XLR? XLR, pick up yourself, man. I see that you do some good work, you know what I mean? Pick up all some in the right place. You know what I mean? Nah, I'm not playing nothing. I'm done. Alright? Lee Major! Icon Eye Business. How you mean? Say, so next, we can intro, you know, say,
Wow, yeah, go ahead.
the Team Torment Brethren. Right about now, we are bring cross the song Way Out to the Bush. Sing Way Out to the Bush of St. Mary. Loaded, overloaded with song. Now try with my good intro. Alright, go.
Never mean for it, sorry. People do remember that we have food over here on the side. It is free. It does not cost anything. So if you're not hungry, making a way over this. You understand? So my intro is not going to be as wicked as Civic intro is going to be. So I'm sorry for much of the intro. But ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, he goes by the name of Viper, representing the Dynamite Sounds. Dynamite Sound.
Dynamite sound system.
Dynamite Sound.
Dynamite sound system. Dip them.
This is the group Exhale representing
Artists line up on themselves.
when you find yourself
Cypher.
in times
After.
of trouble.
Viper.
Dynamite.
For themselves. Ready for themselves.
Playing
Ready for
songs of
themselves.
wisdom, let it be.
Alright, Dynamites.
And in the light of time.
Alright, so I'm going to play a quick 2 intro songs and then I'm going to do what I gotta do, right? Quick 2 intro songs.
Dynamite is the answer, let it be.
Alright, we got time.
Dynamite!
We short on time.
And also when the dynamite light and ignite, you know, boom up boy.
Play some quick song. Let's play some quick song.
Oh yes, I told you, you don't know it go. I'm gonna bust a boy head in a Viper. So infamous when the gun bust, man.
listen.
Earth must stick up, man. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna skip some
Then
songs.
goes the people in the New York City. Jonathan system. Yeah, dynamite. We're going to tell you that
We can use the turntables, ones and twos, huh? Come easy.
I love all of the gunmen. Dynamite. Keep them shine and crisp. A couple shot where we can ring in our gun. Make a boy turn purple anytime him get it. Lord.
Dynamite killer sound punk. How them come from, man?
Them dead. Idiots.
Sound boy, what you want to do? When dynamite sound, murder you. You and your crew, there is nothing you can do. Tell me. Sound over here. We kill them anywhere, now we do not care.